Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today to continue the joins we will learn about left join and right join. So what does the left join do is it returns all the row from the left table even if there are no matches in the right table. You can see it will return all the common rows also. According to this Venn diagram, everything from the table 1 which is in green will be returned and only the data that is not matching which is only in table 2 won't be returned. The syntax is very similar to inner join. Instead of inner you will use the keyword left and obviously we will have to use the common field and rest of the syntax looks similar. Next is right join. It is basically just the opposite of left join and it looks like this. So what does the right join do is it returns all the rows from the right table even if it is not available in the left table. So again the common rows are returned and everything else from table 2 but nothing which is exclusive to table 1 would be returned. Syntax, the only change is the left would be changed to right and the rest syntax is similar to inner or left join where the common field will be used. Another thing is, let's say in the left join we want to return only the ones that are there only in table 1 but not in table 2 or also the common. We have used the minus operator, but this concept is also called as anti-left join, wherein instead of the minus operator we can use something like this, as minus operator might not be applicable to some of the SQL databases. So how this would work is it will throw only the output which is available exclusively from A, not common to B and not in B. The only change in syntax would be this where clause. So it would be like select column names from table 1 and 2, left join from table 1, left join table 2 on the common fields where table 2 dot common field is null, which means that the common field in table 2 has to be null, which implies this is also going to be blank and that is why it would not return anything even from the common area. In Excel terms, the left join can be taken as again a VLOOKUP wherein you will get the matches including NA. So whatever is null in the right table you will see an NA and everything that matches is this portion. So the common portion in both would be your matches and anything that is NA would be from this portion. It is available only in table 1. Similar to left join, if you're using a VLOOKUP on the second table to fetch from the first table is more like your right join. How does your anti-left join would work is you will have only NAs as the output. So you do a VLOOKUP from table 1 to table 2, you delete all the non-NAs, whatever you're left with is exclusive only to the left table or the first table and that is left with you. That is basically your anti-left join. Now let's take a look at this in practice. First let's take a look at left join. Name and title from artist left join albums B on artist IDs. The output looks like this and you will see that there are some nulls, which means that the data is available in left table which is artists but not in right table which is albums. Similarly, when we do right join on the same, we'll see there might not be any nulls because every album there has to be an artist. Finally comes anti-left join wherein we will find only those which are available exclusively in the left join, which means from the first one anything that is null in the right will be returned. So you can see the title is all null here and only those are returned which are not available in the right table. Basically it means that the artists who don't have any albums yet are all listed here. Again, left and right join are very important concept. Right join is not used much, however it's good to know, but left join is used predominantly when you want to get data from the first table completely and only the matching data from the table 2. Since there is some difference between inner join and left join, try to understand where to use which kind of join, but this is going to be very useful again in your day-to-day SQL query writing, so keep practicing. That's it for this video. Thank you.